Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present to you my research on improving student teaching skill through multiple strategies, model, and lesson plan. And in this presentation, we will explore the importance of developing robust teaching skill for student teacher, particularly in the context of chemistry education. In the 21st century, the educational landscape is rapidly evolving with the increasing diversity of student needs and dynamic nature of knowledge. It is crucial for teachers to be adaptive and skilled in various teaching methodologies. Effective teaching is not just about delivering content, it involves engaging students, fostering critical thinking, and creating a conducive learning environment. The role of teacher in modern education cannot be overstated. They are not only facilitators of knowledge, but also mentors who guide students in their academic and personal growth. To fulfill the role effectively, teachers need to be equipped with a wide range of teaching strategies that can cater to different learning styles and needs. In light of this, our research aims to address the necessity of adaptive learning model and strategies in teacher education program. By integrating multiple strategies and comprehensive lesson plan, we seek to enhance the teaching skill of student teacher, enabling them to deliver high quality conduct education. We conduct our research with a first semester chemistry student at Pontianak Muhammadiyah University, employing classroom action research method. This involves planning, implementing, and reflecting on teaching practice to ensure continuous improvement. Through this presentation, I hope to share our finding and insight, highlighting the effectiveness of the multiple strategies model in improving student teaching skill. Let's dive into the detail and explore how we can better prepare our future teacher for the challenge of modern education. Teachers are one of the professions that are currently required to be able to adapt quickly toward development, both in terms of digital technology capabilities and the ability to innovate with learning models that are tailored to the characteristics of students. And teacher must have competency standard in carrying out their duties, such as pedagogical competence, professional competence, personality competence, and social competence. And this is stated in government regulation number 19 of 220 and 5, chapter 4. Article 28 and law on 14 of 2005, chapter 4, article 10. The need to prepare prospective chemistry teacher is through the process of practicing and learning basic chemistry teaching skill. The right strategy is improving teacher teaching skill is multi-strategy. To support learning activity using multiple strategies is need to be accompanied by the development of lesson plan. And the primary objective of this research is improve student teaching skill within the chemistry education study program at Muhammadiyah Pontianak University, recognizing the critical role that well-prepared teacher play in the educational process. Our focus was on enhancing both the planning and implementation phase of lesson delivery. We aim to develop a more structured and reflective approach to teaching, enabling student teachers to create more effective lesson plans and execute them proficiently in the classroom. By doing so, we hope to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical teaching skill. Our research was conducted with first semester chemistry student at Pontianak Muhammadiyah University. The students were enrolled in the chemistry education study program and are at a stage in their academic journey where they were preparing to enter the teaching profession. Their participation was crucial for evaluating the impact of our intervention of native teacher. And the research is a classroom action research using a qualitative approach. This classroom action research focus on effort to change the current real condition toward the expect condition or improvement oriented. Classroom action research was conducted to improve teaching skill in chemistry education to the program student. The subject is this study were first semester student of chemistry education to the program of FKIP Muhammadiyah University of Pontianak. And data collection technique in this study consists of indirect communication technique, direct communication technique, and measurement technique. The planning stage of research yielded a significant improvement in the quality of lesson plan created by the student teacher. We measure progress across various aspects of lesson planning with data collected through observation set and reflecting feedback. And you can see based on the research result, the following data were obtained in learning using lesson plan show an increase from 48.17 to 18.33 or by 35.16%. In the use of multiple strategies, there was an increase from 92.86 to 85.05 or by 22.19%. The implementation take of our research focus on the practical application of the improved lesson plan in the classroom. We observe significant enhancement in the teaching performance of the student teacher, measure through detailed observation and feedback during their teaching session. And the overall teaching performance score increased markedly from the initial to the final cycle, indicating a comprehensive improvement across all stages of the lesson. In additional to quantitative improvement, qualitative feedback from observed highlighted several positive changes in the student-teacher performance. In the application of multi-strategic learning, concept-based learning, modeling, namely educators showing certain skill or process that can be imitated by students, and the drill method, which is a training method that strengthens learning through repeat practice by practicing teaching based on the lesson plan made. In making lesson plans, students have been able to determine the learning media that will be used by taking into account the characteristics of the material and learning objective. Students also practice to determine learning model and methods that are appropriate to the material, which will be directed to create an effective, efficient, and enjoyable learning atmosphere. And the result from the implementation demonstrate that the multiple strategies model coupled with comprehensive lesson planning led to significant improvement in teaching performance. In the next section, we will discuss the overall effectiveness of the strategies used and the importance of reflecting practice in teaching. In conclusion, our research highlights the effectiveness of the multiple strategies model in improving student teaching skill. The integration of comprehensive lesson planning, reflective practice, and collaborative learning has proven to be highly beneficial for student teacher. The finding underscore the need for teacher education program to adopt a multi-skill approach that prepare future teacher to meet the challenge of modern education. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and professional development, we can ensure that student teachers are well equipped to provide high quality education. And you can find it on this link about the learning in my research. And the conclusion based on the result of the research as discussion that has been described, it can be concluded that learning using multiple strategies and developing a lesson plan show an increase from 48.17 to 83.33 or by 35.16%. There was also an increase from 62.86 to 85.05 or by 22.19% for the use of multiple strategies. Thus, this approach is proven effective in improving the quality of education and preparing teachers who are able to face future challenges. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.